Hi everyone, April here. I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Easter themed rosette wand. The cardstock colors I used are Snowy White, Mermaid Tail, Fiji, Petal Soft, Flamingo, and Silver Mirror foil board. You can make this rosette wand with only one rosette, but for added dimension, I decided to add another one to the back. Each rosette requires 2 strips of cardstock to be fan folded, and the rosette template that I used already has the scoring lines attached, so there's no need for an additional scoreboard. Once your strips have all been folded, you're going to take 2 pieces and glue them together at both ends to make a complete circle. I chose to use craft glue for this portion to keep my gluing tight because in the past when I've used hot glue, it's a little bulkier, so it leaves a slight gap. I'm going to let those rosette strips sit for a minute while I allow the glue to dry and move on to piecing the other elements of my project together. Mermaid Tail Luxe Glitter Cardstock is so beautiful, glittery, and cuts so smoothly, just like the rest of the Encore line. Once the rest of my elements have been put together, it's time to move on to assembling my rosettes. You're going to take your strips and position it so that the straight edge of the rosette strip is facing upward toward you. With your hands, you're going to gently push the straight edges together inward and add some hot glue. You're going to need to hold this for about a minute to allow the hot glue to dry. If you like, you can choose to add ribbon to your lollipop stick to embellish it like I did, and then I just added a little bit of hot glue to the stick and positioned it where I wanted it on my rosette. I went ahead and repeated the same process for the second rosette and added some hot glue to the stick and positioned it on top so that my rosette was dimensional and the backing is covered. Now I'm going to add my final element with some hot glue and position it in the center of the rosette. I added it to an Easter basket for a pop of fun, and I hope you enjoy making this project.